the F40 here. Wow. Just.
You can see like this, they overlaid carbon on it.
Yeah.
And it's over a steel chassis.
Yeah, you can see the green hue here too, right?
Yeah, it's still got the light carbon. Get more hue to it. Oh. See, like up in here, it's a different style weave.
I love that you see the carbon through the paint too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's these cars are so crude. So freaking crude. But no two are alike. So I can't complain too much. But
Wow.
still needs to be cleaned, but it's for the most part everything's done. We rewired a bunch of stuff. It's a good little car.
Well, I didn't know how bare bone the front is. Turbo sound too.
Oh man, you do not want to lift it if you got a bad shoulder or something, you're going to be in trouble.